Welcome to our culinary channel. Today we will show how easy it is to bake a whole chicken in the oven, so that it is very juicy and salty inside. Like and subscribe to the channel, and you will find a lot of interesting and delicious things. We need to salt the chicken before cooking. Therefore, take a large bowl or pan and pour cold water, depending on the size of the chicken. We have a chicken weighing 1.5 kilograms. We need about 2 liters of water. Now add salt to the water and stir until completely dissolved. Pour 3 tablespoons of salt per 1 liter of water. We immerse the chicken in this water. The most important thing is that the water completely covers it. Chicken should be in this solution for 6 to 8 hours. After that, salt water should be drained and poured with clean water for 30 minutes. In the course of these actions, the protein that is in the meat slightly changes its structure. Now that the chicken is baked in the oven, the moisture from the meat will not volatilize so much, as a result of which the bird will be very juicy. Next, take the chicken out of the water and dry it with paper towels. Then we need to rub it with spices. Take butter and mix with spices that you like. We took a mixture of spices to the chicken and added some paprika and dry garlic. Only at the same time, we do not add salt, because the meat is already salted. Rub the entire surface of the chicken with this oil. In the middle of the bird, put half a lemon and your favorite herbs for a wonderful aroma. Next, tie the legs with a thread. Transfer them to a baking sheet, and put it in the oven heated to 100 degrees for 2.5 hours. If there is a culinary thermometer, we check the meat by piercing the thickest part with a probe. If the temperature inside is 70 or 75 degrees, the chicken is ready. It remains to give her a crispy crust. To do this, mix the butter, add honey and soy sauce. Heat it in the microwave to melt the butter, and lubricate the hook. Heat the oven to 200 degrees, preferably with convection, and bake for 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown. During this time, you can lubricate several times. Try to cook according to this recipe, and it will become your favorite festive dish. Just look how juicy it is, and remains so even the next day. And the meat is completely and evenly salted. Bon appétit!